Hi everyone, myself Prasanth Babu, working as scientist at Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi, India. During 2016-18, I was awarded with a postdoctoral research work by Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, to take up research work at Plant Breeding Institute, University of Sydney, Australia. And the overall plan of our work was to integrate rust-resistant genes from Australian donors into Indian wheat cultivars. So we used the combination of phenotypic selection under glasshouse conditions and the field conditions, which was integrated with the marker-assisted selection and double haploid production to fix more than one gene into single line in a short period of time. So the phenotyping facility, which was available at Plant Breeding Institute, was used to phenotype the rust-resistant lines. And also we used the publicly available marker systems to track the target genes in our breeding materials. So along with the rust-resistant genes, we targeted two important micronutrient components like iron and zinc. And when we tested for these components, some of our lines gave more than 45 ppm for each one of these. So that integrated that our material were also good at as far as quality is concerned. So we developed many more number of combinations to integrate multiple rust resistance into one individual line. And those lines were shifted to India, and they were tested under field conditions. And we were very happy to see that few of these lines which were selected in Australia, they were showing complete resistance to the available pathotypes under Indian field conditions. So there were some of the segregating materials which clearly segregated for the resistance, and the resistant material were hand-picked, and they were screened, and they were entered into some of the breeding processes so as to take them forward in the breeding pipeline. So this is the diverse material which we imported from Australia. So we were having some of the F2 lines, double crosses, triple crosses, and double haploid lines. They were evaluated for yield trials, under yield trials, and also they were evaluated for resistance. So these are some of the lines which gave very good performance as far as yield is concerned, and they performed better than some of the checks what we use in Indian wheat trials. So we have got more than 7 ton quintal per hectare in some of these lines. So that clearly indicates that the resistant lines, the derivatives which we have got, have very good potential as far as yield is concerned. So this is the one line double haploid lines which was entered into our station trial last year, and it clearly shows resistance for stem rust and the stripe rust, which clearly indicate the integration of SR22 and 57 into these materials. So I would like to thank the overall team at team of Plant Breeding Institute, especially Urmil Bansal, my supervisor, Habans Bariana, Richard Pretovan, and all the team of IRI, our director, Ike Singh, Rajbir Abdom, Anju Mahendra, and all the colleagues who are working and helping me to take this material forward into varietal release pipeline. Thank you, everyone.